On Tuesday evening we embarked on our journey from Stirling at 6:15, but in a mere 2 hours where would we be? In a town or out in the sticks? In a dark car park as it happened, with a babbling brook and a view of the stars. As we pulled up on a warm windy night, the car park was vacant of cars. We cooked up a fine feast, fit for a king, of tomato pasta with bread. Bellies full, music on, we were very content, eager, to awake we tucked into bed. When the morning did call, we arose with the sun, light coming in through the doors. We were in for a treat, a magnificent view of the loch and the mighty Ben Lors. Mocha pot on and a fine cup of tea, we ate breakfast and admired the view. Bags packed, boots on, off we set, to the hills with great grins and a sky of blue.
Hello!
As we ascended Meall and Tarmachan, we smelled the snow for navigation. We took only photographs and left only footprints on this site of habitat restoration. For Gordon, James and carriage number 4 were off for an adventure in the hills. No one could tell them what would befall them, be it beauty, danger or thrills. We scaled tall fences, climbed banks of snow and enjoyed the hills in the fog. We had the hills almost to ourselves, just a photographer and a group with their dog. We saw frozen lakes and scaled narrow ridges and ate lunch with a fine man named Rich, a vet and a part-time photographer, moved from England as his commute was a bitch. We saw cloud formations and great demonstrations of the sun beaming down from the heavens. So quiet up there on that fine winter's day, Rich said it was quite different from Devon. We made haste down from peak number 2, down a steep and slidey scramble. This hike had very quickly turned into more than just a peaceful amble. We began our descent down the Tarmachan ridge, through hillsides of sheep and bog. With the end in our sight, walking through a sheep's shite, we're nearing this poem's epilogue. Just one final coffee from Von Shiv. A grand day out was had by all. Gordon the big engine has done us all proud, like a proud mama hen, so hip hip, 3 cheers to us all. As we sat atop Meall and Tarmachan, no peaks seemed beyond our reaches. We would climb to the top of every last one and say, "God damn, I love these peaches. God damn, I just love them so much."